All right, now we're rolling. Now you've had a few days to get comfortable with Srama. Let's talk about one of the most powerful tools in the app, the planner. This is where you can set yourself up for success by planning ahead and making sure you still hit your deficit goals. Here's how it works. Life happens. We've got travel, nights out with friends, birthdays, brunch with family, and all of that is part of the journey. With Srama, you don't have to avoid these things. You just plan for them. For example, I like to sit down on Sundays and use the planner to map out my week. Since I usually eat similar meals during the week, I just copy them over and it only takes about 10 minutes. Boom, my week is planned. But let's say I know I'm meeting friends for drinks on Friday and I've got a family brunch on Sunday. I'll go ahead and add those into the planner. And then once I see the higher calories on those days, I can shift things around. Maybe I lighten up my meals earlier in the day or on the surrounding days. That way, I still hit my overall deficit goal without stressing. It's not about restriction, it's about flexibility. Shama helps you adapt your plan so you can enjoy your life and stay on track. And the best part, once the week is planned, logging is effortless. Just swipe to log your meals, and if something changes, like an extra snack or an unplanned dinner, you can adjust quickly and keep moving forward. That's the power of planning ahead with Shrama. It makes your goals realistic, doable, and sustainable.